What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have an all new episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am going to a Citibike race. Saw a flyer on the Citibike Boys page. If you don't know who they are, check them out. It's a hilarious account. These guys do the craziest stunts and tricks with city bikes. They're hosting a race today. It goes over the Williamsburg Bridge, and I think it ends at the Commodore over here on Avenue C by me. We got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so I am on Delancey Street right now, heading toward the Williamsburg Bridge. It could get a little crazy though. Some of the videos I saw of these people doing it last year were like really hardcore lane splitting. And I don't know how comfortable I'm going to feel doing that to try to keep up with the leader. So I'm just getting up to the bridge right now. I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of city bikes all over the place right now. So see how this goes. I guess I just gotta look for a lot of bikes. Oh no, this has gotta be it right here. Oh, there's some cops here. Yeah, this is the spot right here. Put me here. Oh! What's up? Thought I might see you here. Are you racing in this thing?
No. I'm about to head to Flushing actually.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're doing a jam at the skate park at the Globe.
Oh, that's right. I fucking saw that.
So
Yeah.
You'll get there in no time. How's this thing? You love it?
Oh man, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
It's cool, man.
You want to give it a rip?
Sure.
I got it at like half power now. That was pretty cool, seeing Tyrone there from the shop. He's got a little bit of a BMX event going on today in Flushing. I totally forgot about that. Classic stuff. He's like the king of BMX in the city. All right, let me pull in here. For like audio.
Okay.
And then this one up here is 360.
Oh, all right. Mind if I get a picture?
Oh, please. Go ahead.
Great glasses. Too.
Thanks, man.
What's your name?
I go by Johnny Prime on Instagram. It's
okay.
like my account with all the bike stuff and food stuff.
All right, I'll find you.
Yeah, what's your name?
You were here for this last year?
No, this is my first time. I just saw the flyer early this morning. I'm like, oh, I gotta check that out.
Yeah. It's fun. It's a good time. Any idea? Are you in it to win $1,000?
No, I figured since I have this, I'm not like I'm disqualified. But I just want to get some visuals of this. It looks awesome.
Yeah, cool.
All right, we're moving. It's different to hear bells instead of horns.
Your tire's broken out. That would be you're disqualified.
This is hysterical. Wow. Bike path, huh? I guess the cops are preventing everyone from getting on the road. This is too crazy. Alright, I'm toward the back of the pack. This is funny, watching everyone struggle to pedal. This guy with a BMX bike, 20-inch BMX. I'm surprised the cops are kind of okay with this. They're all so mad. Now we're on the downhill here. You're going to see a lot of people cruising now. Pretty awesome. Some of these guys were really gunning. No joke, these guys are like, some of these guys are like professional racers. Now, apparently there's a long jump too. They got a ramp built and everything. And I think there's a $300 prize for the person who wins the long jump, and there's a $1,000 prize for the person who won the race. This is the Commodore here. Who won?
It was the same guy from last year. This guy on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That we saw him cross over.
So that's it, we did it. Around the hood in 8 minutes. Citibike Boys race. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.